Good morning. I want to wash my clothes. Could you pick them up, please?
Alright, sir. May I know which one I'm speaking with?
My name is Peterstone.
I'm sorry, sir. Would you like to spell your last name, please?
Stone.
Alright, Mr. Stone. May I know your room number, please?
My room number is 202.
Alright, Mr. Stone. May I know what kind of clothes and how many clothes you want to wash?
I want to wash 3 of my clothes. There are 2 pieces of shirts and 1 pair of trousers.
Alright, Mr. Stone. What kind of service do you want to take? We have 2 services, regular, rush, and express.
If I take express, what time will my clothes are returned?
Your clothes will ready within 3 hours. It's subject to 100% extra charge. Will you take it, sir?
Alright, I will take it.
Alright, may I repeat it?
Of course, sure.
Well, your name is Peterstone, and your number is 202, and you like to wash 3 clothes, 2 pieces of shirt, and 1 pair of trousers, and you take express service. Is that right?
Yes, that's perfect.
Alright, Mr. Stone. Our staff will take your clothes immediately. Thank you so much for calling laundry service. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Good morning. Valet service, please. Good morning. Valet service, please. Good morning. Valet service, please.
Please come in.
Good morning, Mr. Stone. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Did you call for laundry service?
Yes, I did. Here you are.
Alright, Mr. Stone. Have you filled in the laundry list?
Yes. Here, please check it first.
Alright, please wait a minute. I will check it.
Okay.
Alright, Mr. Stone, you have 3 pieces of laundry. They are 2 pieces shirt and 1 pair of trousers. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Alright, Mr. Stone, may I know, would you like shirt folded or shirt on hangers?
Okay, I'll let your shirts folded.
Alright, thank you. And may I have your son here?
Yes. Wait a moment, please.
Yes. Thank you so much. Do you have any special request for your laundry?
I think no, that's enough.
Alright, Mr. Stone, just for your information, your laundry will be finished in 3 hours. So later our valet will deliver your laundry to your room.
Okay.
Alright, is there anything else?
No. That's
Thank you so much, Mr. Stone. I will finish your laundry as soon as possible and have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.
Thank you. Valet service, please. Valet service, please. Valet service, please.
Wait. Fine, please.
Good afternoon, Mr. Stone. I am Nandita as your valet service today. I would like to give your laundry. This is your laundry. Please check your bill first
Alright.
and give your signature in here. Alright, thank you, Mr. Stone. This is your laundry.
Thank you.
Alright, Mr. Stone, for your information, for the payment, you can pay when you check out, and you will pay in our receptionist.
Okay, thank you for the information.
Alright, good afternoon, thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you.